Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. My son has really bad dry skin and he's also super sensitive. This Dr. Brown's vitamin cream has worked wonders for us. It's super hydrating and a plant-based infusion, so that's perfect for my son because he seems to react to any sort of fragrances or artificial anything, so I love finding anything that's plant-based. Another thing that's a big deal for me is that it's cruelty-free and there's also no parabens, phthalates, or sulfates in it, which I really love. Another great thing about it though is that it's not just for babies, it's for anyone. It's super hydrating and I love using it on my hands because they get so dried out from washing my hands from all the diaper changes and dishes that we go through. If you're looking for the perfect cream for your baby who has sensitivities or for the whole family, you have found it, but that's just my point of view.